Hello everyone, welcome you to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about these two autoclips that's very useful for your AutoCAD drawings. Firstly, we need to input the autoclips into our drawing. Just press A key. Choose Open Write Applications here and choose the name of the autoclips. Just press Load and then Close. To use it, you need to type the name of this clip. And then choose the objects that we want to calculate. Press Enter, and then we will have the results here. Now we can try with another one. Just press Enter to repeat our action. Here is the result. But this autoclip couldn't work on SP Live. I don't know the reason why, but it can work on P Live. Here, you can see the length of this P Live. And to calculate the whole length of these lines, we need to use another autoclips. Just choose another one. Press Run and then Close. Type the name of this autoclip, TL, and then choose all of the lines that we want to calculate. We want to calculate their length. The disadvantage of this autoclips is it couldn't create a number test that we used to have with the previous autoclips. It just created temporary test to represent the results of this line. As we can see, we can have the total right here. Thank you for watching.